In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a tax form in TurboTax. If you need to remove a form from your tax return, TurboTax makes the process fairly straightforward once you know where to look. This can be helpful if a form was added by mistake, if you no longer need it, or if you want to clean up your return before continuing. As you follow along, make sure you're working in the correct tax return so you don't accidentally remove something important. To get started, sign into your TurboTax account and open your tax return. Once you're inside your return, take a moment to confirm that everything has loaded properly and that you're on the main working screen before moving on. Next, look to the left-hand menu and select Tax Tools. This section contains several utility options that help you manage different parts of your return. After you click that Choose Tools, this will open the Tools Center, where TurboTax places actions related to reviewing and editing your return behind the scenes. In the Tools Center, select Delete a Form. When this area opens, you'll see a list of forms currently included in your return. Go through the list carefully and review the forms that appear. Some forms may have similar names, so it's a good idea to read them closely before deleting anything. Once you've found the tax form you want to remove, locate the Delete option next to that form and click it. TurboTax will then ask you to confirm that you want to delete the selected form. This confirmation step is important because deleting a form can affect information elsewhere in your return, especially if that form is connected to income, deductions, or credits. After you confirm, wait while TurboTax removes the form from your return. This usually only takes a moment. Try not to click around too quickly during this step, just so the system has time to process the change completely. When the deletion is finished, review your tax return to make sure the form has been removed successfully. It's a smart idea to scan the related sections of your return as well, just to confirm there are no leftover entries or missing details caused by the removal. If needed, you can continue updating your return once you've verified everything looks correct. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to delete a tax form in TurboTax. Thanks for watching.